back to Diecast Domination. This is Dev coming to you, and I hope you guys are enjoying your lovely day. Thanks a lot for tuning in my session. Now, in this content, we have something meticulous to share with you guys. So I have a mini GT Nismo factory outlet diorama, which consists of 40 parking lots. And not just that, the layout of the building is 72 centimeters. So that is extremely long. The biggest diorama that I have ever had pre-manufactured by a brand. Mini GT always comes out with amazing stuff, and this one beats all the competition. But wait, that's not it. What we are about to do is we are about to change this layout and make it look extremely modern and super realistic. Meaning this layout came without the lights. What I would like to do is add some more lighting, and believe me or not, add tons of figurines, lots of Nissan cars, some trees and sceneries to make it lively and realistic. And on top of that, with some cinematic shots, this will definitely bring joy to your eyes. So hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon, because this is Diecast Domination. Let's get rolling!